Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX is now deeper in the support area. Since the last video, it has lost a little bit more value. That's okay. That's sort of what we wanted to see. To get a first deeper retracement here into this support area between 1365 and 1122. My view is that as long as we're holding 1122, price could be set up for higher, at least for a rally in a C wave. Here higher, okay. So I only see at the moment 3 waves up. I mean, you could argue this is a 5-wave move already, which is why I've added here the question mark with the wave 1 and the pullback in a wave 2. The problem I have with this is this move down doesn't really look like, I mean, overall on this count, the problem I've got is not really a 3-wave pullback here. It doesn't really look corrective. I would prefer a clearer 3-wave pullback. To have a clear corrective structure on this way down, okay? Nevertheless, I'm watching for 1122 as key bullish support. What happens if we break below it? Well, it would certainly increase probabilities that we're going to break below the 10th of June low at basically, $10. So a break below 1122 would be a first warning that this overall upside setup may fail. Because the $10 level is really the make or break point, okay? So either way, this is not a very reliable setup anyway. It is only at best a diagonal. In a more bearish scenario, this move up here is just some kind of a corrective wave. Again, it could be an A wave, pullback could be a B wave, but it would ideally find support in this region here. What I can tell you at the moment while I record this video, while it seems to have found some support at the 50% retracement, at 1294. I don't see this as super bullish setup, especially in the short term at the moment. There is no indication that it would start a rally in a C wave to the upside. So if we zoom out a little bit, by the way, that means ideally we'd like to see another low, because so far this fib level has not really generated the sentiment shift we want to see. So it means the next one is likely 1223 or 1122. Below 1122, I would just get increasingly careful. If we zoom out a little bit, you see that we are running down, or grinding down, you could say, in this larger descending wedge pattern. So to really confirm a more substantial breakout to the upside, I need to see a break at the minimum. I need to see a break above this descending trend line of the descending wedge. We're talking here roughly about $17.50, depending on when it happens. Yeah, I mean, it's a descending trend line, so we need to be a bit flexible here. But just to, there is not much more to add here. At the moment, another low is still to be expected unless we really get a 5-wave move up. As you can see, we only really have a very first wave of a potential 5-wave move. What do I need to see? Really, again, I need to see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a break above the descending trend line. Then I can call that a larger wave 1. Then we can watch, do we get an ABC pullback in a wave 2? And that could be the start of the rally. So we are very, very early days in the process. As you know, and as you will have understood from my comments in previous videos, not only about AVAX but other coins, it is not really an altcoin market at the moment. I think a lot of people are still calling all of this a bear market because the altcoins are suffering. Bitcoin has basically reclaimed a lot of its value since the all-time high. I mean, it's basically it's doubled since November, pretty much. So, and the question is, okay, price has doubled. Is it still a bear market? That's the question that hopefully will get answered in the next few weeks, maybe next couple of months. But if we get out of the bear market, and maybe we're already in the bull market, then it will be Bitcoin, Ethereum that are doing that. And a lot of the altcoins may follow once there is excess liquidity in Bitcoin and the money just needs to flow out into other assets. So I think at the moment, short term, the altcoins are still suffering. Here and there, we get some good setups. Aave is a good one at the moment. GMX, this one here is highlighted in orange, so I don't really trust it. It's more a level to watch for me, waiting for clarity. But yeah, there is not much more to add. So all eyes need to be on that 1122 level. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.